Good afternoon, students. In our last lecture, we have seen that when the rat trap peddler was not agreed to come with the iron master, then he sent his daughter. The iron master sent his daughter. The girl was having the great power of persuading anyone, and she directly came to the sleeping man and asked him to come with her to his house, and he was given a coat, a fur coat, and he put on, and he could not, he means the right trap peddler could not deny the lady to come to his house, and he put on the fur coat on his legs, and when he was sitting in the carriage, he thought that perhaps I am trapped. I am trapped. And he is cursing himself for stealing the money of the crafter. For stealing the money of the crafter. But it was promised by the lady, by the girl, Idla will mention that you will be free to leave us as freely you are coming with me. Okay, but we want you for one night because this year we are not having any guest to celebrate the Christmas. Celebrate the Christmas. So we are asking you to come to our house. Okay, and the father was sitting on the dining table. The daughter of the iron master was busy on the dining table. He was preparing everything for the guest, and the iron master said to his daughter that first of all we should see that this man means the rat trap peddler, whom the iron master was thinking that he was his friend, he was his old regimental friend. Okay, he said to his daughter that first of all should get we should feed him properly so that he could get some flesh on his body. Then after we will search some work. For him, because it is not good as he wanders from one place to another place selling rat traps. It is a very strange thing. That the things have gone downhill with him. It was said by the daughter, and the daughter also told her father that last night when I had seen to this rat trap peddler, means the captain, whom she was also thinking that he was captain. Okay, when last night I had seen to this man, there was nothing in him to show that once he was educated. Okay guys, let us see what is going to happen next. Okay, you must have patience, my little girl, said the father. It was said by the father to the daughter to have patience. As soon as he gets clean and dressed up, you will see something different. Okay, when my friend will clean up, dressed up, washed, okay, get saved, then you will see something different. Last night he was naturally embarrassed. Okay, last night he was perplexed. Okay, last night he was perplexed. The tramp miner will fall away from him with the tramp cloths. Okay, and the father said that when he will put off his tramp cloths, then his tramp miner will also go away. Just as he said this, the door opened and the stranger entered. Okay, when the iron master said to his wife that, my dear daughter, you will see that his tramp miner will fall away after quitting the tramp cloths. When he said this, just at that time, the door was opened and the stranger entered into the dining room. Yes, now he was truly clean. Okay, and now the rat trap peddler was perfectly clean, well dressed, properly dressed. The violet had bathed him, cut his hair, and shaved him. Okay, he was made bathed by the violet, and he cut his hair and shaved him. Okay, moreover, he was dressed in a good-looking suit of cloth which belonged to the iron master, and more than this, he was wearing a coat which belonged to the iron master, yeah, which was given by the iron master to this rat trap peddler. Okay, and he wore a white shirt and a starched collar and a whole shoes, and he was wearing white shirt with a starched collar. Starched means hard. Okay, hard means very kadak in Hindi. Very okay. Starched collar, and he was having shoes. Okay, but although his guest was now so well groomed. Okay, at all, the guest was perfectly groomed at this time. The iron master did not seem pleased, but the iron master, after seeing to this man, after seeing to the rat trap peddler, whom the iron master was considering that he was his old regimental friend, after seeing him, he gets not happy. He became not happy. He looked at him with a puckered brow. Puckered brow being angry. He looked at the man, ठीक ना, in anger. Okay, puckered brow being angry. Okay, being angry. He looked at the man. He looked at the man. Okay, and it is easy to understand that when he had seen the stranger fellow in the uncertain reflection from the furnace, he might have been a mistake. Okay, he might have made a mistake. So it was obvious, it was clear that the iron master had seen the rat trap peddler in the darkness. There was not a perfect light, there was not a proper light, and he had seen him in the darkness. So he was unable to identify, so he was unable to know the man, identify the man. Okay, and he had made a mistake. Okay, he had made a mistake. Okay, my dear, I want to say that the iron master had seen to the rat trap peddler in an uncertain reflection of light. So he had made a mistake to identify him, identify the rat trap peddler, and this was the mistake, that he thought that he was his old regimental friend. But now when he stood there in the broad daylight, it was impossible to mistake him for an old acquaintance, familiar, known person. But when the man was standing in the broad daylight, it was daylight. Okay, and this time, or this chance, the rat trap peddler is not going to make any mistake. The iron master is not going to make any mistake, or the iron master has not made any mistake. Okay, what does this mean? He thundered. Okay, he cried out. He thundered, he cried out. Okay, he roared. Okay, he cried out. What does this mean? What is the meaning of this? The stranger made no attempt to dissimulate. Dissimulate means, my dear, to hide one's feeling. Once again, dissimulate means to hide real feeling. Or dissemble, or in other words you can say, okay, to hide real feelings or intention by pretending to have different ones. In Hindi that is called ढोंग करना. Okay, और कुछ न होने के सिवा कुछ और होने का बहाना करना. Okay, dissimulate. Though the stranger had not tried to hide his feeling. The stranger means the rat trap peddler has not tried to hide his feeling. He saw at once that the splendor had come to an end. Splendor, grand and impressive, beautiful time, good time, and he at once understood. The rat trap peddler at once understood that his good time has come to an end. His good time had finished. Okay, it is not my fault, sir, he said. Okay. But the rat trap peddler said that, sir, this is not my fault. Okay, this is not my mistake. I never pretended to be anything but a poor trader. Okay, I have never tried to show that I am a different person. I have not tried to show that I am a different person, but I have tried to show that I am a poor trader. And I pleaded and begged, I requested, I insisted to be allowed to stay in the forge. Okay, and I have insisted, I have pleaded, I have requested to let me remain near the furnace, near the forge. But no harm has been done. but there is no harm. There is no harm. At worst, I can put on my rags again and go away. What is going to be worst to me? I will put on. Sorry, I will put on my rags again and go away. Okay. Once again, I will wear my rags, my tan clothes, and I will leave this place. I will go away from this place. Well, said the iron master, hesitating a little. It was not quite honest. Okay. Okay. Well. It was well. Oh, acha, said the iron master, hesitating a little. There was a hesitation. There was a little hesitation in the mind of iron master. It was not quite honest. Okay, the work which is done by you is not the work of honesty. You have not done the honest work either. तो भी यार ईमानदारी काम नहीं की. You have not done the work of honesty. You must admit that. Okay, and you must accept that. I should not be surprised if the sheriff would like to have something to say in the matter. Okay, and the iron master said that I will not be surprised. I will not be surprised if sheriff comes and he will look into the matter. Okay, okay, I will not be surprised if the sheriff come and he will look into the matter. He will look into the matter. Okay, the tramp took a step forward. Sheriff, there was a word sheriff. Sheriff means police. Okay, sheriff means police, the chief officer of the crown in a county. Okay, the chief officer of the crown in a county or shire who administers justice. Okay, you can say Nadhis. Okay, but we consider as a police. Okay, the tramp took a step forward and struck the table with his fist. The right trap peddler moved forward a step and he clenched his fist on the table. He clenched his fist on the table, or he stuck his fist on the table. Now I am going to tell you, Mr. Iron Master, how things are, he said. And now the right trap peddler said to the Iron Master that I am going to tell you, Mr. Iron Master, what are the things? What the things are, Mr. Iron Master? I am going to tell you. The whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. All the good things that offered to you are nothing but cheese, rinse, and a bit of pork. And he said that all these things, okay, it was said by the rat trap peddler that Mr. Iron Master, whole world is nothing. Whole world is nothing but just like a big rat trap. And all the things which is offered to you, all the things which is offered to you, all the things by which you are attracted are nothing but just like a cheese and bits of pork set out to drag a poor fellow. And all these things are only set out to attract the poor fellow into the trouble. All these things are always attracting to the poor into the trouble. And if the sheriff comes now and locks me up for this, then you, Mr. Iron Master, must remember that a day may come when you yourself may went to a big piece of pork, and then you will get caught in the trap. Okay, and and the right trap peddler said that what is going to happen if the sheriff comes? What is going to happen if the sheriff comes and locks me? What is going to happen? Okay, locks me. What is going to happen, Mr. Iron Master, if the sheriff comes and locks me for this mistake? Then you, Mr. Iron Master, must remember. Don't forget, Mr. Iron Master, that such a day will come. Okay, and when you will also be attracted. You will also be attracted by a big piece of pork, and then you will also be trapped. Mr. Iron Master. Remember one thing. Okay, here I would like to explain clearly that we use cheese and pork to attract the rights, just like that the wealth, the possession, the money, okay, the clothing, the shelter, the food, all these things are just like a bait. And when, Mr. Iron Master, you will be attracted by a big piece, you will also be trapped. Remember that, Mr. Iron Master. The Iron Master began to laugh, and the Iron Master started laughing. The Iron Master started laughing. That was not so badly, said my good fellow. Perhaps we should let the sheriff alone on the Christmas Eve. Okay, and the Iron Master started laughing, and he said that perhaps you have not said bad thing. Perhaps you have not said a bad thing, my fellow. Okay, let us. Fellow, perhaps we should let the sheriff alone on the Christmas. Okay, we are not going to call the sheriff. We are not going to call the sheriff, or I am not going to call the sheriff on this Christmas evening. On this Christmas evening. On this Christmas evening. Okay. But now get out of here as fast as you can. But get out from this house. Get out from this house as soon as possible. But okay. But just as the man was opening the door, the daughter said. But just as the man was opening the door, the daughter said, I think he ought to stay with us today. Okay. But when the rat peddler was about to open the door, the daughter said to her father, I think, father, let him stay with us today. I don't want him to go. And what with that she went and closed the door. And my dear father, I don't want that he should go. Okay, I don't want that he should leave us for today. Okay, and with this he reached near the door and closed the door, and she closed the door. What in the world are you doing? Said the father. The father said that, what are you doing, my dear daughter? What are you doing? What are you doing? I am unable to understand. What are you doing? The daughter stood there quite embarrassed and hardly knew what to answer. Okay, the daughter was standing there. Okay, the daughter was standing there. Okay, and she could hardly understand what she should speak about this. What she should speak about this. Once again, I am explaining. Okay, the daughter stood there quite embarrassed. Okay, the daughter was standing there. Okay, and she was totally perplexed and hardly knew what to answer, and she could not know what I should say for this. That morning she had felt so happy when she thought how home-like and Christmassy she was going to make the things for the poor hungry rich. Okay, the girl was very happy. The girl was very happy when from early in the morning, from early morning she was making the food for this fellow. Okay, for this fellow. Here is one word. Okay, here is one word that is used for this poor hungry wretch. Okay, a wretch means real meaning wicked fellow, but here for stranger, I would like to say stranger. Okay, and she was feeling very happy while she was making food. She was cooking everything for this fellow, and she was feeling home like. She was happy. She was feeling home like, and she was happy also. She was happy also. Okay, and she could not get away from the idea all at once, and she could not want to come out from this idea at all, as she was preparing everything for this wicked fellow, so she did not want to come all of a sudden from this idea. Okay, she could not get away from this idea all at, and that was why she had interceded for the vagabond, and this was the reason that she had spoken in the favor of that vagabond, that homeless wanderer. Okay, vagabond, homeless wanderer. And I am thinking of this stranger here, said the young girl. The young girl said to his father, as she was thinking of that stranger who was there. Okay, and he walks the whole year long, and there is probably not a single place in the whole country where he is welcome and can feel home like. And he told to his father that, father, he wanders from one place to another place. This man always wanders from one place to another place, selling rat traps, and as I think he is not welcomed at any place, and he cannot feel home like anywhere. Wherever he turns, he is chased away, and wherever he goes, okay, he is always chased away. Always he is afraid of being arrested and cross-examined, and always there is a fear in his mind that he will be arrested by the police, and the police will cross the police will cross examine, the police will ask cross questions from him. Okay, he will be cross examined. I should like to have him enjoy a day of peace with us. My dear father, I want that this man should enjoy a day with peace with us. Just one in the whole year, just one day in the whole year, just one day. Please, father, let him enjoy. Okay. And the iron master mumbled. Okay, mumbled means muttered, said in a low tone. The iron master said in a low tone in his beard, which was not audible to anyone. He could not bring himself to oppose her, and the father could not oppose to his daughter. The father could not oppose to his daughter. Okay, and uh, where is the line? It was all a mistake, of course. Okay, it was all a mistake, of course. She continued. The girl was continuously explaining to her father that it was a mistake. Okay, obviously it was a mistake that was made by us. I don't think we ought to chase away a human being whom we have asked to come here. But my dear father, I think that we should not chase. We should not chase to this man, to a man whom we have promised for a happy Christmas, whom we have promised for a happy Christmas, whom we have asked to come with us. Okay, once again, the girl said to his father that, father, let him stay for one day. Okay, let him stay for one day, only one day, father, because we have asked him to come with us, come to our home, and to whom we have promised a Christmas cheer, and we have promised to this man for a happy Christmas. We have promised to this man for a happy Christmas cheer, happy. Okay. I think that it's sufficient for today. I will explain the next topic. Tomorrow will be the last lecture on explanation. ठीक ना, on explanation, and then after we will discuss questions. Thank you and have a nice day.